taking your time joining us this morning. We're going to run through this as quick as possible. Right, so at the moment we're all in the crypto space, many of us, and there is a lot of issues and problems in this industry, in this space. So yes, the problems that are created within the industry, we need to use that as a way to negotiate this industry, and also how we can make that to work for us, to benefit us, while we are educating ourselves with the latest information and technology. Let's use what we have and put that to use to benefit ourselves and our communities. All right, so that we can stay safe in this space. Please take note that here you will learn about crypto and you will earn with the lightning fast speed of the OP BNB network. Right, but before we start, there is a disclaimer that I must read to you. This presentation is for educational and informational purposes only. Right, Apex Crypto Education Community Protocol is not an investment or a trading platform, and no financial, tax, or legal advice is given in this presentation or within the protocol as a whole. Right, crypto and decentralized finance inherits its own unique risks, and do not spend money that you cannot afford to lose. Right, you are responsible for your own personal tax obligations and always pay to Caesar what belongs to Caesar. Right, do not try and hide the money or take it away or hide it, because it is not possible anymore. Right, so always keep in mind Hebrews 13 verse 5 to 6, which says that make sure that your character is free from the love of money. All right, so we're not here to force anything on anybody, but that is what we are guided by, and we're using and living by those principles. All right, so what is crypto or Apex Crypto Education Community Protocol? Here we learn about crypto and how to navigate the space safely, and also we need to earn while we are doing that. And we earn in BNB, which is a cryptocurrency, on the OP BNB network, which is lightning fast. Right, so the problem that we all are in at this moment is that mainly it's because of security and tax, crypto tax issues. All right, so it is a daily evolving space. So let's have a look at it. The primary purpose of Apex is to create a secure, scam-free learn and earn ecosystem where members can safely navigate the cryptocurrency space and earn rewards while doing so. Right, although most of the information is available freely on the internet and all over the place these days, you're not getting incentivized for taking part in those things. Right. So here is a way for you to buy a legitimate product as well as getting a member status in the and access the rewards system of Apex Protocol. Right, so the library of Apex Protocol, you buy a position, or you buy your product with 0.005 BNB, which is about $3 or 60 Rand in South Africa. And that is your direct purchase that grants you access to an ever-expanding digital library of vetted crypto education products and guides or tools as well. Right, so there's no legal advice, tax advice, or any advice, financial advice is given in this platform. It's only guides and stuff to help each other. All right, so the creative pathway. Apex is designed to turn learners into leaders. And here you can use this platform also to help yourself and to promote other platforms, digital products, but it needs to be vetted first, right? But you need to purchase at least 51 positions, because each wallet can accommodate 51 positions in this protocol. All right, and that will give you a VIP status, and then you can add your digital platform or your products free on the library. But obviously, You will have to look at that first before you can add them there. Right, so every product that is submitted by the creator or the person that qualified the creators that reached the VIP creator status will go through a strict vetting process by the team. And this will ensure that the community is only exposed to high quality, legitimate educational tools and is protected from scams. So that is the main aim of this platform and the main reason why we are here. Right, so part two of this the solution, we have discussed the problem now. The solution is that attached to the educational library is a community-driven reward system designed to be sustainable and fair and ensuring that members are continuously supported by older members. Here's how it works. It's a 3x3 matrix system. When you buy your product, you get positioned at the top of your own small network tree. Right beneath you are 3 positions that will create your level 1. And those 3 positions will branch out to their own 3 positions, creating your level 2 or 9 positions on your level 2. And then finally, each position will create its own 3 positions under them, and that will be your level 3. And on each level, you will earn BNB. Right, so as new members join the community and fill the positions beneath you, the smart contract automatically sends BNB rewards directly to your wallet on each level. When you finish each level, you receive a amount in BNB directly to your wallet. Right, so you reach a specific milestone on level 1, 2, and 3. Level 3 is broken in 3 segments, so you do not wait for the whole level 3 to fill up before you get paid. You will get paid 4 times on each position if they progress through level 1, 2, and level 3 as well. Right, we'll look at the detail in the next slide. Right, so then there's the pay it forward engine, and this will prevent the system from stalling. So Apex uses an automated re-entry. When you earn a larger reward from the level 2 and level 3 payouts, some of the money is kept back to ensure or to create re-entries for you directly below the last position in the matrix. Right, the system automatically takes a small portion of your profit, and when it reaches 0.005 BNB, it buys you a brand new position at the bottom of the entire community tree. It's not directly under your own position, it's right at the bottom of the universal matrix. Right, and that will ensure that the older members are constantly placed back at the bottom to push newer members upward. All right, so and that is already funded already. You don't have to pay for it again. And then there's also the bulletproof payouts. If the system or the network has a glitch on your wallet or your wallet rejects an automatic transfer, your BNB is not lost. The contract safely stores it inherently so you can manually withdraw it at any time. Right? Although we have done everything to make sure that your money gets paid to you instantly on the OPBNB network directly to your wallet, there is a code written in the smart contract that will redirect the money if for some unforeseen reason the money does not get routed to your wallet. It will not be lost. You will be able to withdraw that money directly to your wallet. Right, so you also have the chance of infinite scaling, while with one wallet is capped at 51 positions. To organize the creator status perk, you can create as many new positions or wallets as you want to keep buying positions and growing your own matrix and the whole global matrix as well. Right, so why are we using BNB on the OPBNB network? There is only 2 reasons. Main reason is that it's lightning fast and it's almost 0 transaction fees or gas fees that this network is using. And BNB itself is number 5 cryptocurrency, between number 3 and number 5 most popular cryptocurrency worldwide. So yes, it has got currently a value of $600 for 1 BNB, and the future is looking very bright for that. But the values in BNB will always stay the same. Entry fee will always be 0.005 BNB. Right? It does not matter if BNB increases or decreases in value. the price of your position or your product will always be the same. Right, so here is a breakdown of the rewards on each and every level for one position. Remember, you can have multiple positions, but this is the breakdown for one position only. So on level 1, you enter with 0.005 BNB that buys your first position, your initial position, which gives you access to the reward system and to the product library. So now, once 3 positions are filled up underneath you from the global matrix activity, you will receive back 0.0045, and that will be sent directly to your wallet instantly. The moment that your third position lands underneath you, you will receive that payout immediately. There is a 0.5% sustainability fee or a management fee to keep the platform sustainable for maintenance, right? So at the end of the day, you're going to receive on level 1 0.0044775 BNB, which is 89.5% of your initial entry fee back already. And this is on one position only. Keep in mind, on level 1, there is no deduction for re-entry. There is no re-entry that you get on level 1 for completing it. Now you are upgraded to level 2 automatically. So on level 2, there is place for 9 positions underneath your position. So on level 2, your reward, your gross reward, your total reward was 0.011025 BNB, minus your re-entry position of 0.005 BNB, which you pay already from these rewards. Now you're going to pay a 0.5% sustainability fee on all your withdrawals that's getting sent to your wallet. And your payout will be 0.00599, so almost 0.006 BNB. Right, so now you're already in a double your money already. So in that you have started with on level 2 only. Okay, and now level 3. Please take note here, there is 27 positions, but they are broken up into 3 segments of 9 positions each, same as level 2. And here your reward on level 3, the first segment, each segment here will pay you 0.02025 PNB. And there will be a deduction of 1 re-entry position of 0.005, which will be done automatically by the smart contract. There's no manual placements or withdrawals of any money here. Right, so you will pay a sustainability fee of 0.5%, and on each segment in level 3, you will get paid instantly directly to your wallet 0.015 BNB. And that will give you a total income on one position when one cycle completes of 0.55993625 BNB, which is about 1,020% increase of gain for one position, because you started with 0.005 BNB and you earn from one position 0.055 BNB. And that is in dollar value today, 0.005 is about $3. And when you complete the full cycle, this comes out to about $33. So yes, that is about 1,020% gain or increase that you will receive in one cycle on one position. All right, so how do you get started? How do you register? Phase 1 is you prepare and you fund your wallet. We do suggest members are using or use the SafePal wallet. You can use any Web3 wallet which you are comfortable with, but we do suggest using SafePal because we are accustomed and used to that. It's the most user-friendly one at the moment that we are using. So yes, make sure that you download the SafePal app from the right place of Google Play Store, Apple iPhone Store, or safepal.com if you have a Huawei device. Do not download SafePal from Huawei Store. It is not the legitimate SafePal wallet. Right, so always make sure about that because your safety is of utmost importance here. And especially in today's environment, online environment, there's lots of things that you have to be aware of. That is one of the things that you must be aware of. All right, And the next thing, most important thing, is write down your recovery phrase, your 12-word seed phrase. Do not back it up to the cloud service. Do not take screenshots or store it online anywhere. If you take photos of it, delete those photos. Write it down with a pen and on paper physically yourself, so you know it is safe and out of the eyes of scrupulous people that can steal your money. People, that is your keys to your wallet. That is the only thing that any person needs to get access to your wallet. All right, so each wallet in SafePal has got its own 12 words. Do not think that when you've written down the 12 words, that is your seed phrase for all the wallets in SafePal, because you can create more than one wallet in SafePal. But each wallet has its own unique 12 words. Make sure that you write those down and keep them safe. Right, so then you fund your wallet with OPBNB, with BNB on the OPBNB network. And here's very important to understand. They look exactly the same, BNB on the Binance Smart Chain and OPBNB. It's got the same logo, but the network is different. Then you need to fund your wallet with 0.00, just a little bit more than 0.005 BNB. Make it 0.0051 or 0.5, because the gas fee is very, very slow or low here. You can add very little extra, and it must be on the OPBNB network to cover for the registration and gas fees. Right, this is equivalent to about $3 or 60 Rand. So ensure that you bridge or you convert or you swap BNB from the other networks to OPBNB network. If you use other cryptocurrencies, you can swap USDT for BNB on the OPBNB network. Make sure that you choose the correct network. If you do that, it must be OPBNB, and we can help you and assist you with that to make sure that you do the right thing. Right, and make sure that you do not get confused between BNB on the Binance Smart Chain. It's also called BNB BEP20, BEP20, or Binance Smart Chain, because that will not work on this transaction. All right, then you copy, once the funds does reflect in your wallet, you copy this link here. Right, do not press on it, do not click on it. It will not work. You will just go to the website, but you will still need to connect to the wallet. Right, you copy this link, and then you go to your DApp browser within your SafePal wallet. All right, and that will be at the bottom in the middle. It will say Explore in SafePal, and on other wallets it will say Discover or something like that. But that is your DApp browser, decentralized application browser. Right, so it needs to be in that for the successful registration. Then you paste the link that you just copied into that search bar at the top of the browser, and you hit search. Right, but before you do that, make sure that you select the OPBNB network. Right, and then you can press go when you are on the OPBNB network. Then you connect your wallet. Once OPBNB network is selected, you tap go at the top right and you connect your SafePal wallet. Then you register and you pay. Once you are on the site, you scroll down until you see the tab Buy Digital Product. Right. Tap this button to trigger the registration and pay the process. It will ask you to confirm the transaction, and then it will go through and you will see it. Just wait a couple of seconds. It will be activated, and you will see you have bought one position. Your one digital product is bought already. All right, now you are left with 50 positions that you can still occupy on the same wallet. So to buy more positions, you just press on the Buy More Positions tab, and then you select the number of positions that you want to buy, and you confirm the transaction again. Obviously, you need to have more BNB in your wallet as well. Right, so each wallet can accommodate 51 positions. So why should you join? Why do you want to join Apex Crypto Education Community Protocol? Right, here you're getting a real value. It's not just a position that you get. In many platforms, an entry fee buys you nothing but just a placement. At Apex, your 0.005 BNB is a direct purchase of a digital crypto education library. So you're getting value for your money, right? And you get immediate access to guides, courses, and tools to help you master the crypto space and this industry. And that library will continue to grow at no extra cost to you. So at the moment, there's one product up at the moment. The second one is already in line and ready to be uploaded. So yes, the first one is about crypto and tax. It's a guide. It's not financial advice, not tax advice. It is just a guide, right? So that library will increase and it will continue to grow with valuable information, right? And then there's the community build on paying it forward. These where the re-entries are coming in, right? Nobody wants to join a system where the people at the top take all the profits and leave the newcomers stranded. We are all accustomed to that and used to that, and it's happening right around us. And we have all been part of those things. All right, so yes, in Apex, everyone is at its own top. There is no person at the top. Obviously, there needs to be a first position. But what those positions are creating are new positions that will come into the bottom, right at the bottom, not directly under themselves. So it is helping the whole community in that way, right? So Apex solves this with its automated re-entry system. When successful members hit major milestones, level 2, level 3 payouts, a portion of those earnings automatically buys them a new position at the bottom of the community tree. You get the support of veterans or old members constantly by re-entering, and those re-entries help to push the newest members up. Right, your funds from the rewards program are never trapped by any technical glitches. So we have taken all the necessary precautions and measurements to make sure that you're getting paid instantly directly to your wallet. But for the unforeseen, reasonable, unpredictable reasons that can sometimes happen in this industry or decentralized finance, there is a mechanism built in the smart contract that will make sure that the money does not get lost, right? What simply happens if for some reason the money gets stuck or you cannot receive the funds, it is not lost. It goes directly to your wallet, but you need to withdraw it, basically. So yes, otherwise you're getting paid instantly directly to your wallet, right? And then with the withdraw, a pathway from learner to creator, and here's where you can create more value for yourself and your team as well. All right, Apex isn't about just consuming content, it's about giving you a stage. Once you max out a single wallet with 51 positions, you earn VIP creator status. Take note, this must be in one single wallet, not 51 positions distributed across different wallets. Right, you earn a creator, VIP creator status. This gives you the incredible opportunity to submit your own crypto products, platforms, or tools to our library for free. Obviously, they will be vetted and make sure that it's not scams and that people will not lose their funds. So not anything can be added there. Right, so then you also have the opportunity to have an infinite earning potential. While a single wallet is kept at 51 positions to keep the creator status organized, there is no limit to your overall growth. So if you want to expand further, you simply connect a new wallet and keep going. Right. So each wallet has capacity for 51 positions, and that is what the smart contract is capping you on. But there is no cap on the number of wallets that you can create. Right, remember the library with the products will increase and it will grow as time goes by. Right, so this is within a safe and vetted environment. The crypto space is full of scams, and we experience this each and every day. Each and every week we hear of new things that hasn't lasted, or people lost their money, or their rug pulled, or the owners have fled with the money, whatever. Now that is not possible yet. Right, so but Apex acts as a filter because every digital product and platform added to the library, even by our VIP creators, goes through a strict vetting process. Members can learn and explore new tools with peace of mind that they are not being exposed to malicious actors or malware or any phishing scams that can be added there. Right. So I want to thank you for that. That is basically the presentation of how the system works. Now I want to take you to the website itself and see what it looks like. Let's go in here. And I want to take you through the smart contract as well. So this is what the website looks like now. Remember, this is on the laptop. It looks different on the laptop and on the phone, but you will see the same picture. Right, we are still in the process of updating it to make it neater and the semantics to change it to make it look much better. Right, so I need to connect my wallet here. Re-entries, part of those 19 is re-entries as well. One position is 0.005 BNB. We are busy organizing this. So once you come in, you will see this picture and you will see a buy digital product and you will press on that. It will ask you to connect or to confirm the transaction. And that is what you will do. So then it will open up, you will see this page. It will then say buy more positions. So if you want to buy more positions, you just need to change the number of positions here. If you want to buy 10, you're going to change it there. If you want to buy 2 more or 3 more or 4 more, you can just change it there and it will automatically calculate the number of BNB you need to have. And you need to have that in your wallet and then you will just press buy more positions. If I press this now and confirm the transaction, it will go through and it will populate right at the bottom of the matrix. All right, so let's run through this website quickly. The switch network, that is not applicable because it stays and it can only stay on the OPBME mainnet. Right, view contract. There we can go to the smart contract. We will go to it now. Here is the smart contract address. Remember that address will always stay the same. It will not change. This is your connected wallet address and the network OPBME mainnet. It will say here dashboard synced and wallet specific data is filtered to the connected address, to your wallet address. Right, that is if you have money available to withdraw, it will be reflected here. But that should not be the case because all of the money gets sent to your wallet instantly. Then your my rewards or received rewards, since you have started, it will be reflected there. Right, and it will also increase as your team grows. Remember, on each and every level, you're getting a payout directly to your wallet. Right, then the total number of positions for this wallet, you will see it here. And then also the fee, the entry fee is just displayed for you there. Right, so then you will buy positions, it will be here. Here you can buy more positions. You can also access the ebook, your product, your digital product. You can access it here. And I just need to show you that. It will open up a different page, but you need to verify that this wallet has purchased the product already. So you'll click on verify download access, and then your wallet will open again. You do not pay for this transaction, it's just to verify. You'll see it will say member ebook access, and to make sure that you did purchase the product, and you will sign it. Yeah, you need to confirm it there on the mobile app. And then it will approve. Now I can go to the, because you cannot just go straight to the download. You can either download it on the laptop, you can download it, or you can go to the view, open in browser. Right, on the phone, you can also just use open in browser because the download function is not active there yet. So it's loading it now, and this is your first product, Universal Crypto Compliance Manual. This is about tax-related requirements for specifically for South Africa and worldwide. So there is South African crypto compliance framework. Keep in mind the laws have changed in March, the 1st of March. So not everyone is aware of that. So yeah, just a basic guidelines is given here. This is not tax advice or legal advice. This is just guidelines from what is available. So this information is available to anyone, but yeah, it's just given in more details and in one place for you to view. Right, so now you can, on the laptop, you can download this PDF, but on the phone you cannot download it yet. Right, and then you go back to ebook access. Then we go, just go back to buy into dashboard. Let's go to the dashboard because you want to see now what is your own progress. Right, so here you can see already you've got the number of positions that you bought for that specific wallet. Let's just give it some time to update. We are busy updating this to make it more easily recognizable for where you are, what you did, what you've reached. We'll give it some time to update because there's a lot of information that has to load. So there, this is what one position will look like if it has completed. At this moment, only the first entry has completed its full cycle. Level 1 received its 3 children, and level 2 grandchildren, and then also the great-grandchildren of level 3 in 3 segments is completed, and it will show you already filled. This entry has already filled all of its direct child position. That means each position, it will just give you that message. Only of 3 directs is filled. Let me just increase this so you can see it a little bit there. Right, so position still ahead. It's 0 because this wallet or this position is completed already. It's all of its 39 positions. Right now, it will give you a breakdown of the level 1 reward, 0.004478 has been paid out already after the 3 children that is received. Level 2 reward has been paid out, 0.005995. Right, and then level 3 has also been paid out, 0.0455. All 3 of those level 3 payments have been received, and 4 re-entries has been created and put back into the system. Right, so the total that this position received is 0.00 or 0.055994 BNB. Right, and this will be reflected here at the top on your wallet balance, which is part of this. Obviously, there's more positions in this wallet. That's why the balance is bigger than that payout. But yes, that is, when you do have re-entries, it will reflect. You need to add them, make sure that sometimes it gets queued and this will highlight, it will become black, like this download wallet CSV. You need to activate the queued re-entries and it will be added directly. You will just need to confirm the transaction and it will be added automatically to the bottom of the matrix. Right, there is your claimable withdrawal balance if there is money to be withdrawn. Then also to make it easier for your tax compliance, you can download the wallet CSV file here. This will give you a report on your wallet status and what you need to declare to SARS or to the tax authorities. So you can just download the file here. Remember, that's why we are recommending that each person or new member, when they come in, they open a new wallet for Apex specifically. Right, and then also there you can download your ebook or your product actually. All right, so that is what a complete position matrix will look like. All right, and then your other re-entries or extra positions will be populated at the bottom. You can see entry 2 and 3. Entry 2 is almost is already on level 3. So yes, as more people are coming in, this will be populated. Then it also says already filled the first level with the 3 children. Right, then everything is the same here. It will just give you the live update. This position has created 2 re-entries already. And then it will tell you 4 more level 3 fields to unlock segment 2 and another re-entry. It will give you the exact number of positions still needed to reach your next milestone and your level to be completed with the re-entry added as well. Right, so level 1 reward is unlocked. Level 2 reward is already unlocked. Level 1 for 1 level 3 reward segment and 2 re-entries are created. 2 re-entries are recreated already. There it shows, and here it says 2 re-entries are created. Right, and then you just scroll down right to the bottom. Now this is all the positions that you scroll here. There's 12 positions that they show here that you can view individually. All right, if you get to the bottom and they are still not complete, you can load more. You see there's 8 more to be loaded here. You can just press there, it will take you to those. And here at the bottom, it will tell you exactly what I discussed in the PDF, the breakdown of the payouts and the number of PNB that you receive and you pay. Remember, there's a 0.5% sustainability fee that you need to keep in mind. Right, and then there's the reward that you get on each level. And on this side, on the right-hand side, will be a snapshot of your wallet overview. So the highest active level for this wallet is level 3. Right, there's multiple positions already at level 3. Level 1, there's 11 positions on level 1, 4 positions on level 2, 4 positions on level 3, and 1 complete position already for the wallet. In 19 out of 51 positions has been taken. There is still open positions 32 to be taken by this wallet. The claimable balance is 0. That should always be 0. All right, queued re-entries, there's nothing at the moment. If there is, you just need to activate them. And then the rewards received, total lifetime rewards since you have registered. And loaded entries is 20. That includes the first one plus the rest and the re-entries. And then the next position of this wallet to receive fund is entry number 18. And the child entry is number 55. So when position 55 is activated, position 18 will receive its first child or the next child because it already has 2 children. Right, so positions still ahead is the next entry will fall under number 18. Right, and then you can also go and search here. It's a live position lookup. You can search the entries here. Let's go to number 10. Load entry, and it will give you the exact same picture. It will tell you on what stage that position is. It's level 2. The parent ID under which it fell is number 3. And the path to 3, it's 3 and then 1. And then the owner of the wallet, that wallet address, right? Then it will just give you the breakdown of that own matrix of that position. So if I go to number 2 now, as you've already seen, number 2, and it will give you the same picture as we have at the top. You can see that's the progress of that position, right? But let's look at number 18, which is next in line to receive. And there you can see you still need 1 re-entry or 1 entry, 1 direct child. And then you will also be upgraded to level 2. Here you can see, I believe we are on number 50 or 40, 45. No, further than that. 47. 47 is there, 48. So 48, then 49. You see they will all they show you exactly the current status of the level position 49 is it's on level 1. It entered under parent number 16. Number 16 is under 5, then 2, and then 1. And there's the address of the wallet. Right. Then it's got just your breakdown there. At the bottom, it will give more, it will tell you exactly how many positions you still need for your level 1 to complete. The thing is to concentrate on your level 1 only. Right, and here it will give you a breakdown in matrix numbers or blocks basically. First 3 in your level 1, then 9 blocks for your level 2. Level 3 children is 27. So it's split up in three lines. Right, and then it will tell you the life reward activity if this wallet has received anything. That is basically that from the website side. So let's have a look at the price of BNB now. But before we do that, while we can look at that as well while I'm taking you to the smart contract to explain to you how that works and how that operates. Remember, once a smart contract has been deployed on the internet, it cannot be changed. All right, so this is live. No one can come and make any changes here. There is, however, things that I need to explain to you that you need to understand. Right, so currently, I just need to update it to refresh this. You will see that is the smart contract address ending with 8B991. Right, the current contract balance is 0.022 BNB, which is about $13. Now, the first thing people think, that is withdrawable. Why is the money there? The money is there, it's kept for re-entries. Once it reaches a certain amount, it will automatically be triggered to become a re-entry. Right, so that is the reason for the funds there. Most of the funds that you will see here is for queued re-entries that needs to be released. All right, now this is the transactions and it was created 4 days ago. The contract section, before we go there, here's all the transactions that you can see. Enter, it means register. Any position, when it says enter, it means it's registered or bought a new position. And then process queued, the re-entries, there's where the re-entries were activated. Right, and then enter process queued re-entries, and that is the basic functions at the moment on the smart contract. Let's go to the contract section. You will see that the name is Apex Crypto Education Community Protocol. This is the compiler version 0.80.21, and it's optimized to 200 runs. So yes, here's the code of the smart contract. No one can change this code. Lots of codes here. Each one has got its own function. You will see that. Do not worry, you don't have to understand everything about smart contracts, but the main risk about smart contract is re-entrancy risk. The people are trying to withdraw funds or send funds while the transactions are in progress. And for that, we have implemented the Open Zeppelin functions to the re-entrancy guard to prevent that. Right. So there's also, the contract is also possible for in case there is something that goes wrong that is out of our hands, we can pause this contract, right? Or either see if we can change it or not. And then there's an ownable 2-step function also being added here. That's for in the case that the ownership needs to be transferred. Right? Why is there still ownership open for this? Because we need to update the product link for future reference when there is more product being added. That is basically, and that you will see here at the read contract section. Read contract section, right, the entry fee, that is 0.005 BNB. Initial purchase position limit is 1. You can only, your first position is only, you can only buy 1. You cannot buy 2, 3 right from the start. You must buy your first one, and then after that you can buy more positions. Right, level 1, then it gives you all the breakdown of the levels. Maximum active positions per wallet is 51. You can see it's coded into the smart contract. Maximum extra positions per wallet is 50. So your first one is the initial entry, and then there's 50 extra positions, right? And push gas, it's limited at 30,000. So because we're using the OPBME network, gas should not be a problem ever, right? Then the re-entry cost is also 0.005. That gets deducted from your own funds. Then the root position ID is number 1. It starts from number 1. Sustainability fee, that is the 0.5% that is deducted from your payouts for maintenance of the platform. Now, what maintenance needs to be done there? The website needs to be updated, and the programs that are used to run the back end, the website, needs to be paid. The developer needs to be paid, right? But it's not exorbitant amounts of money, but it does need some money there. So the 0.5% fee is very, very little compared to what it actually costs. So yes. Then there's the sustainability fee that I talked about, right? Claimable balance, you will, if you have funds available to claim, you can come and do it here, or you can put in the address of the wallet and see if there is a claimable balance. Right, digital product link, this one that can be updated, and on that link, the products are linked to that link. That's why that link needs to be updated. That's why the owner has not, ownership has not been renounced. Right, explicit liabilities, that is what is on the contract, in the contract that it needs to be paid out, right? And then the owner's address, right? Then parent of pause, there's the pause function. You can see it's false, so when it says true, then it means the contract is paused. Only the developer can pause this contract. The pending owner, and it can, there's 0 address there. So ownership can be transferred, but only the developer can do that, or any person that has got access to that wallet. That's why it's important to keep it safe. Right, so and then there's pending re-entries. You can also call it from the smart contract. You can activate them. Right, so then there's positions. Currently, you can come and search the positions. Let's see if I go to number 1. It will give me. And there you can see it is the first, it doesn't have a parent. Current level number 3 is what I showed you. Level 3, 1, it's got 3, 9, and then 27. It completed all 3 segments on level 3, 4 re-entries, and the cycle has been completed. There you can see it says true. Right, so if we go to number 18, it should give 2 on level 3. Parent, it's under ID number 6. Current level, no, 18. Yeah, it's level 1. That's correct. It's still on level 1. And it's got 2 positions on level 1. That's right. Not completed anything. Right. So you can search anything, any position. Let's go to 50. See if 50 is there already. It's already under number 17 and also level 1. Right. I believe that's the latest entry, and we can confirm that if we go to total positions, 54. Right. So number 55 is the next position to fall under number 18. And then that number 18 will go to level 2. So if you put in 54, yeah, and you query it, it will give you, it's issue 54 is on the number 18, and it's currently on level 1, waiting for its three minutes. Right, so basically you can read everything here on the smart contract. You can also go on the right thing, you can register, you can claim your money if you have funds available to withdraw. In that case, ownership transfer can be done from here. Take notice that nobody can just come and transfer it. The developer or the owner, current owner, needs to give permission. You can unpause the product or the platform, you can pause it here. You can enter, that is when you're going to register. You put in the amount and you're going to put in the amount of position. You need to connect your wallet first. Right, so that's basically how this smart contract is operating. Update the product link, you can do it here as well. We actually do it here, yes. Right, update sustainability wallet in case someone needs to change that, but nobody has access to that except the developers. Right, and then you can also make a withdrawal from there and withdraw too. So if funds are stuck in the contract, the developer can also withdraw to that specific wallet. Keep in mind that the developer cannot withdraw the money to any other wallet or his own wallet. So the funds that is earmarked for that specific position will go to that specific wallet. Funds cannot be stolen or redirected here. It can only be withdrawn and sent out to your wallet directly. Right, ladies and gentlemen, that is basically what Apex protocol is about and how it works on it's managed by the smart contract. Remember that is what we need in this space. There is the latest product that we are busy finalizing, crypto and Web3 security guide. So this is very, very important to know these things and to implement them, because we are all vulnerable to these scams. It doesn't matter how good your protection is, it gets updated and outdated each and every day. So we need to stay ahead of it. And we do not say we have all the answers, but we learn as we go. So yes, that is what this will be updated, uploaded very soon, as we are still busy with the development in the background, but the contract is live already. Right, so basically in a nutshell, this is to benefit you. While you learn, you can earn as well. And you earn instantly directly to your connected wallet. So if you have any other questions or concerns, please reach out to the person that sent you the video, or contact myself, and we will be glad to answer you all your questions. So thank you very much. Have a nice day and enjoy the rest of your day. Thank you.